Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is iClone 8 3D animation software. Now you can see I have 3 pieces of tables, and these 3 pieces of the tables is generated by AI, everything made by AI, do by AI. And from the beginning, I just used the Sam3D. This is an AI app, and I generate the table just by using a piece of the picture that I found it in Google image. And then I just give it to the AI and generate a really high quality 3D model by using the Sam3D AI. And finally, it is already inside the iClone 8 3D animation software. Of course, it is not too direct and straightforward, because any 3D models that generated by the Sam3D AI, when you download it, it is a GLB file. You need to use the Blender to convert the GLB file to become the FBX, and finally you can just drag and drop the FBX file into iClone 8. And in the iClone 8, actually the image texture is not complete. You need to go through one more step, and I'm going to show you in details in this tutorial how to set up the material, how to find out the material texture, and how to get it from the folder. I will show you all this step by step, and start from now. I'm going to show you all the details. Let's go. The first step, you can just go to any internet browser and just search for my website, freedom3d.art, and press enter. From there, you can just access one of the AI 3D tools that is called Sam3D. It can just turn any of the image to 3D. Just need to click accept, and next you just need to go to the image.google.com and search for any furniture. It can be like sofa, chairs, or any of the furniture that you want. And here maybe I will just pick one of it. Just for example, if I want to have this table, alright, I can just directly search table, and for any of the table, if I want it, I can just click it. Here I just pick one of a special one, choose a special furniture. Alright, for example this. The next step, I can just right click and save the image as, and save it on my desktop. Click save. Then back to my desktop. It is a WEBP, so you just need to click the option here to see more and save as the PNG or JPG. Then I click save. Now I will have this PNG file. Next, back to the Sam3D. Then upload this image. Just click upload from the desktop, upload the PNG, and just wait for a few seconds. It is uploading. Next, click to select the area that you want. Just click a few times until it already gets selected. Then click generate 3D. It is going to generate the 3D model immediately. Just wait for a few seconds here. The AI is going to generate the 3D model. Now you can see it already generated the tables for you as a 3D model. The next step, you just need to click download. You download as GLB file. Click the GLB and click download. And the next step, I'm going to show you how to convert the GLB file to FBX just by using the Blender. Here you need to wait for a few seconds until it finished downloading. It is not yet start downloading. And now you can see it pop out the save as. I will just click the desktop and save it as, I will just name this as table01 GLB file. I click save and close. Now it already become a GLB file. Next, what can you do? You can just open the Blender 5.1 and then click the empty area and just press A and delete everything. In Blender 5.1, I just use it as a tool to convert the GLB to become FBX file. Drag and drop the GLB file Next, just click import, and now I turn on the material texture. You can see it have the material texture. So next, just click File, Export FBX on my desktop. The path mode you have to choose copy, and you have to select Embed Texture so that the texture of the material texture will just embedded inside the FBX file. I choose desktop as the path to export, and the FBX file I will just name this as table01. I click export FBX. Now it already become the FBX file. The next step, you can just drag and drop the FBX file into iClone. This is iClone 8 3D animation software. Next, click Convert All. It is going to just import as a 3D model. Now you can see it is without the material texture. What you need to do is just go to the FBM folder. At the moment you import the FBX file into iClone, it will automatically generate a table01.fbm folder. In the folder, you should be able to see the image texture. Now, this is just a file, it is without the extension. You just need to click one more time or just press F2 to rename it and just add the extension .png and press enter. Now, the next step, you need to drag the PNG image texture into iClone. Just directly drag into the 3D model. It is going to add the image texture into that 3D model. Now you can see this table is already inside the iClone 8 3D animation software. The next step, you need to go to the attribute in the iClone 8 and scroll down until you can see the pivot. The pivot, you just need to set the pivot point at the bottom and then scroll up. You should be able to see the scale. You click reset scale, click yes, and then click reset to zero out. Now you can see the whole table already aligned at the bottom of the floor at the iClone 8 3D scene. Now this table, you can just save it as a prop. To save it as a prop, you just need to click the custom, then click the props, enter the props folder. At here, click save. Make sure you move it to the center and click save. The file name, you can just name this as table01, then click OK. It is going to save as a prop. This prop, you can use it anytime. Starts from now and onwards. You can just right click to find the file. It will just save it as a prop file. This prop file you can just copy to anywhere, and next time you just need to drag and drop into the 3D scene in the iClone. It will automatically apply. You can apply a few tables in any of the scene just by using that 3D model. It is really easy. Alright, you can see everything are very smooth. It also included the some of the textures. It is really realistic. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to generate any furnitures for your iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!